Hello everyone, I am Sushobhan Nayak and today we are going to unbox one more piston fit in-ear headphones. These headphones are compatible with iOS as well as Android. The box includes a user manual, warranty card and three sets of ear tips, different sizes medium, small and large. They are very comfortable and less likely to fall out. It comes with dynamic dual drivers and they cost around 900 rupees. Come with the inline microphone. As you can see, it fits to the ear properly and has a 45 degree angle in ear design. It weighs around 14 gram and the wire length is around 125 centimeter. The jack is L-shaped and it is compatible with all smartphones, laptops, desktop and tablets. It has clear sound which is balanced and with normal bass. It is available in two different colors, grey and blue. These feel great. They are very comfortable with clear sound and they don't hurt the ear after long usage as well. It even comes with 1 year warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please like the video.